Cobras, guardians of the dance. Nature's mysteries unveiled through the eyes of nature.
By AI for Kids. Welcome to the entrancing world of cobras, a domain where they weave tales of majesty and mystery, blending beauty with evolutionary prowess. These narratives bring to life their traits and nurture curiosity about their ecological roles and revered stature across cultures. Uncover the truth behind myths, meet the cobra as both a living legend and a symbol of nature's intricate artistry, urging us to revere its wisdom and the balances of life. Presented by YSK Publishing Group.
The majestic hood, Cobra's unique defense.
In the heart of a dense forest, a cobra raises its broad, iconic hood in a display of defense. This magnificent creature, belonging to the genus Naja, is known to many as a symbol of both beauty and danger. Cobras possess the extraordinary ability to spit their venom, aiming for the eyes of their perceived threats. This unique defense causes temporary blindness, a remarkable evolutionary adaptation that protects them in the wild. Cobras thrive in diverse habitats, from grasslands to urban areas, adapting seamlessly to their surroundings while their stealthy movements highlight their commanding presence.
As sunlight filters through the forest canopy, a cobra emerges, unfolding its hood like a dance of power and beauty. Its gaze warns of its defensive prowess, a vision both enchanting and fearsome. From deep within, I yearn to protect myself, unfolding my hood, a display of resilience.
Kingdom and habitat, the cobra's realm.
Cobras, reigning apex predators, define their territory across the African savannas, Asian forests, and Middle Eastern plains. Their adaptability is unmatched, enabling survival from tranquil rural landscapes to bustling urban locales. As members of the kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, and class Reptilia, they blend seamlessly into their environments, wherever that may be. This vast geographical distribution preserves their lineage, offering them access to a myriad of prey in diverse ecosystems. Despite modern threats, their presence remains a testament to nature's ingenious design and the cobra's fierce tenacity.
Journey through the realms of the cobra, where lands change yet their spirits remain free. From forest to savanna, each habitat testifies to their strength and adaptability. These lands breathe beneath me, welcoming my journey. I am at home in this realm.
A carnivore's delight, cobra's diet.
The hunting prowess of the cobra is a marvel in itself. As a carnivorous predator, it embarks on graceful yet calculated hunts, consuming small mammals, birds, and even other reptiles and amphibians. Cobras exhibit remarkable patience, waiting stealthily for the perfect moment to strike, their attacks swift and lethal. This dietary adaptability further cements their role as a vital ecological force. Through sustained hunting, they ensure that no single species overtakes the natural balance, proving that the cobra is not just a hunter but a crucial steward of its ecosystem.
In the hush of dawn, the cobra senses life around it, an opportunity to nourish itself. Each hunt is a silent ballet of precision, a testament to survival. I wait with unwavering focus. This hunt is my ritual, a dance with survival.
Solitude and beauty, cobra's behavioral canvas.
With the serene sun setting on the horizon, a cobra can often be found wandering alone, solitary yet striking. Most cobras are creatures of independence, possessing vibrant diurnal tendencies, although some find their awake times in twilight. Known for territorial instincts, their presence commands respect. Their broad hood and distinctive hiss announce their ground, a haven they guard fiercely. Each interaction with a cobra prompts a tale of strength, fear, and the boundless beauty of solitude in the wild, where they reign as both warriors and custodians of nature's balance.
The day whispers its secrets to the solitary cobra, a creature of unfaltering grace. Its essence dances through shadows, painting its path on the canvas of the earth. Alone, yet never lonely, the world unfolds around me, a realm to protect.
The keeper of new life. Cobra's reproductive mysteries.
Spring heralds a sacred mystery: cobra's reproductive rites. These oviparous beings lay a clutch of eggs, a cradle of new life, often under their watchful guard. Each egg represents potential, a promise of continuation. The devotion of the cobra to its young is fierce, often defending the clutch against predators until they hatch. With a season of warmth, the earth becomes a nursery, echoing with the sounds of rebirth and hope. Through each generation, the cobra ensures its legacy, painting a portrait of nature's patience and tender care.
In the heart of nature's sanctuary, the cobra safeguards its future, whispering stories of creation and rebirth within its nurturing fold. In these delicate shells, lies my tomorrow. Under my watch, life shall flourish.
In the web of life. Cobra's ecological role.
In nature's grand tapestry, the cobra weaves a role of significance, balancing their ecosystem as an apex predator. As they control prey populations through their hunting, they maintain the equilibrium of life, minimizing overpopulation. Yet, the cobra is not immune to the chain of life, becoming prey for larger predators like the mongoose. Such dynamics exemplify the delicate balance of nature's web, where strength and vulnerability coexist harmoniously. Through them, each interaction fosters resilience, illustrating that every creature, from the humblest to the mightiest, plays a niche in life's perpetual maelstrom.
Tales of the cobra echo in the underbrush, weaving together the story of life. Within its existence lies the harmony of predator and prey, a dance of survival and grace. In this intricate web, I hold my place, both hunter and hunted.
A heritage of survival, threats and conservation.
Despite the grandeur of the cobra, it faces modern threats that challenge its continued survival. Habitat destruction and hunting, driven by fear and desire, shadow its existence. While most species remain unflagged by endangerment, some walk the thin line of vulnerability. Conservation efforts root in understanding awareness that these beings are not mere danger but essential parts of our shared world. With knowledge and care, they swim through the threads of time, a testament to perseverance against odds. Through stewardship, we pave paths of coexistence, safeguarding their echoes for future generations.
Whispers of time flow through the cobra's veins, intertwining past and present. Amidst adversity, they stand resilient, keystones in the cycle of life. We tread through shadows, yet I linger, a story of survival against time.
Guardians of my thoughts. The cultural reverence of cobras.
In the annals of human history, the cobra gleams with cultural and spiritual reverence. Deeply embedded in the lore of many societies, particularly in India, where cobras are sacred protectors, woven into tales of power, rebirth, and divine guardianship. As their hoods coil and dance, they echo symbols of the profound mysteries of existence and the transcendence of fear to embrace wisdom. Revered in rituals and tradition, these serpents bridge realms, igniting spiritual symbolism with their enchanting presence. Through their presence, cobras invite us to explore deeper meanings in our connection with nature and spirit.
Legends speak of cobras as harbingers of wisdom and guardians of the divine. Within their dance lie secrets, a message across time, ethereal and eternal. In my presence, legends awaken carrying the whispers of myths and spirits.